Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. So I'm just going to jump right into this. I've already based my nails with the UNT Peel Off Base Coat. These are the 2XL square no seed curve tips that I sell on my website, NAILED.BYRII.com. And I'm just taking a straight edge nail clipper and cutting off the number. I really don't like to file the tips when I'm doing the pop-off method, just because I don't want to disturb the glue. It doesn't have, like, you know, the greatest hold because it is a peel-off base coat. So I just simply try to straighten the tips out as much as possible with the straight edge nail clipper. Okay, so basically I'm going to be doing a really simple set. This is the Pink Sugar acrylic from my website. It is from the Valentine's Day collection. It is sold separately as well, so check that out. And I'm just using the Young Nails monomer with that, and my favorite brush, which is the Pana, and number 10. It is pure Kalinsky. Purchased it from Amazon. Everything that I use, you guys, is always listed in the description, so just make sure you check that out. Okay, so yeah, there's really not much I can say about this set. I mean, like the application part, simply because I mean, it's really a simple set. All I did this color, or this acrylic, on each of my fingers. And last minute, I decided I'm going to do some nail art. And you guys, please don't come for me. Like, I didn't have the best brushes to do nail art, and I am realizing, like, that is a must. I really need to invest in some good nail art brushes. If you guys know of any besides Nails by Dove, like, I already plan on buying her brushes, like, within the next week or so. So if you know of any others, though, that I can get, like, maybe a little quicker from Amazon, please drop it down in the comment section so that I can check those out. But yeah, so I just did a cute look. One of my favorite cartoons from my childhood would be Proud Family, and Dijonay and Sticky are, like, so funny. Well, Dijonay is. And I decided to do them for a Valentine's Day look. So stay tuned to the end. Now, you guys, when it does get to that part, I am so sorry. I was out of frame so much, so I kind of just did, like, a snippet of one section, then a snippet of the next section, and so on and so forth. You'll see what I mean when it gets to that part of the video. And for Dijonay, I really just didn't even, like, bother, because I'm so bad with, like, staying in frame, especially when it came to the nail art, because, like, I like to really put my finger in my face. Like, I'm so blind, you guys, and I really, like, try to pay attention to detail. So especially when it comes to, like, outlining. So you guys, I really need a good overhead cell phone holder, okay? Because I like to film with my iPhone. I think I have an iPhone 12, 13, whatever the latest one is. That's the one I have. I can't keep up, okay? But that's the one I have, and it's not the big one, it's the normal size one. So if you guys know of, like, any good, like, overhead cell phone holders, please drop that down in the comment section, please, 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 because the one I have, it's okay. It's on a tripod. It's nothing special, but, like, I always try to, like, find the good angles and stuff like that. And even with, like, when I was doing my application here, like, you guys really couldn't see the bottom, and that's why you're gonna see, like, the video is chopped up in so many, like, pieces. You really only see the application, like, for the top half of the nail, simply because, like, I was so out of frame when it came to the bottom part. So I just really need to, like, invest in a good overhead tripod or camera holder, whatever you call it. But yeah, so there's not really much more I need to say right now. The giveaway winners are announced at the end of this video. Please don't skip forward, okay? You guys watch the complete full video. But anyway, you guys, like, I really want to do more giveaways. It was really fun reading like different comments and just hearing how like people started and what age they started and where they're at in their nail journey. Like, I really love that, and thank you all who participated in the giveaway or who entered the giveaway. Like, I appreciate each and every one of you, and if I could, I would choose you all as the winners, okay? But I really want to do more giveaways, so the more you guys shop on my website, the more I'm able to do that. So yeah, just, you know, even if it's a small purchase here or a big purchase, it really doesn't matter. It helps contribute to my nail journey, and it also helps me like get more you know, more products and more like merchandise for you guys. So yeah, I think I want to do a giveaway every month. Like, I don't think that's too much, and I think I want to pick 2 winners every month. So you guys, like, do me a favor and just like shop. I have some really cute items. I have really cute tools, really nice things, like really cute kawaii charms. If you're into that, just go check it out. My acrylics, I will have another collection coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys, I'm so grateful for all of my subscribers. Like, all of you guys are amazing. Like, I am slowly but surely like growing, and I'm just thankful for all of you guys, because I honestly didn't think I would even have like as many as I do right now. Like, you know, so I appreciate each and every one of you guys for just growing with me, you know, watching me do my thing as I get better and better in this nail journey. And yeah, I'm just grateful to you all. So I think that's all I need to say right now. I'm gonna pop back in when I get to the end of this nail art, okay? Okay, y'all, now getting into this nail art, I'm just gonna say, like, drawing Sticky was not as hard as I thought. I really actually thought that Sticky was gonna be more harder to draw than Dijonay, but Dijonay turned out way harder. I don't know if it was like because of the kissy face that she was making, but y'all, I was struggling, okay? And I'm pretty sure it had a lot to do with my brushes. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more nail art, but I'm going to wait until I get my brushes because, yeah, I struggled with Dijonay, but I think it turned out pretty cool. I think Sticky turned out way better than Dijonay, but I think Dijonay, you can tell it's Dijonay. At least I can. I don't know. And then I kind of did something a little different, and I just wanted to really exaggerate her lips and her bobble in her hair. So I just used some stones to do that, some crystals to do that, and of course I used the No Wipe Rhinestone Gel by LGN Pro. That is what I've been using lately, and it's amazing. I'll definitely leave it down in the description per usual. But yeah, and that is it, you guys. I'm gonna let you watch these little quick snippets of this nail art, and then I'll come back around the giveaway winners. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, and here is the finished Sticky. I thought, oh wow, he really turned out pretty good. And here's Dijonay. You guys, look at her lips. I just feel like it is so funny because he's making that face at her and the lips are so exaggerated. So it kind of just fit, at least for me. I don't know. I thought this set was pretty cute, pretty funny. It just brought back, childhood memories, and it is perfect for Valentine's Day because, yeah, she was so in love and he was so ungrateful because he was not even cute. He was all right. He wasn't all that, the way that she made it seem. But yeah, so here is Dijonay and Sticky. And now for the giveaway winners. It is Nia 22 and JASIMEN G. Okay, you guys, please contact me or leave a comment on this video, your Instagram, so that I can either your Instagram or your email if you don't have that, so I can get your shipping information. And here's everything that you guys won. You guys get all 8 colors of the acrylic plus my clear acrylic, and you guys get some heart glitters, some lips charms from my other video, some heart charms, and you get 3 things of tips. You get a 3XL coffin, 2XL coffin, and 2XL square. All of them have no C curve and they are the bomb, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations to the winners. You guys hit me up ASAP so that I could ship them out to you. Thanks again, everybody. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.